Hi guys, so welcome back to my next video. So today I am going to be actually doing another taste test video for you guys. I'm really excited about this. I found this at my local store. I'm going to be trying out some hummus. So first off, I have some limited time pumpkin hummus. This is the Martin's or Giant's brand. It's my local grocery store brand. It's a pumpkin hummus. It has some pumpkin seeds in there. And then the next one is some Boar's Head pumpkin pie dessert hummus. This was I'm really looking forward to trying. I don't think this one's like a pumpkin pie spice thing, but I think this one is, which I love pumpkin pie spice, especially this time of year, of course. So I'm one of those people. So first off, and then actually when I'm trying this, I'm gonna be trying it on a bagel. So I'm gonna be trying the pumpkin spice, or sorry, the pumpkin hummus first. It smells has no really smell to it. I can smell the pumpkin seeds. Yeah. Pumpkin seeds are really good. I like pumpkin seeds. So I just put about half a bagel. Put a little bit more on there. And I'm going to put a little bit of pumpkin seeds on it. The pumpkin seeds look kind of slimy. I don't know what the heck's going on with that, but so there you go. Now, it has a weird taste to it. No, I don't really like it. I really like pumpkin seeds in moderation. But these pumpkins, this hummus has a really strong like pumpkin seed taste. Makes any sense? But I'm not gonna eat that. I don't like it. Ugh. I'll let my husband taste and see what he thinks. But I'm not impressed. So let's try the dessert hummus. I've actually tried the, not from Boar's Head, but a different type of like dessert hummus. The one I really like is mint chocolate. It's really good. Oh, you see, it has a really kind of a darker brown color, but it smells just like pumpkin pie. It smells really good. I'm really looking forward to this. Hope this is better than the last one, because, yeah. And they have all different types of dessert hummuses too. I've actually seen actually tried another one a couple weeks ago. It was like a birthday cake dessert hummus, but it tasted just like frosting or like icing. But I didn't eat very much of it because it was, I have a sweet tooth. I love sweet stuff, but it was like disgustingly sweet. But hopefully it's better. So let's try this. Ooh, that is really, really good. It doesn't taste directly like a lot like pumpkin pie. It's the texture and the flavor of it, but it has a little more ginger, a little more ginger than regular pumpkin pie does. But this is really, really good. So there you go, guys. Sorry, I didn't want to talk with my mouth open. My mouth full. So there you go, guys. I'm gonna definitely be eating more of this. This is really, really good. The other one, not so much. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe and all the wonderful stuff like that. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for my next video. Bye.